Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, like every Monday, a new recipe. Since we're getting closer to fall, I think we're really in fall, we're not in summer anymore. Anyway, and we're getting closer to Thanksgiving too. I decided to do a recipe with pumpkin, which I love. In every form, salty, sweet, dessert, whatever, I love pumpkin. So I decided to make some pumpkin muffin with some cream cheese frosting as a filling inside. I really love this recipe because it's super easy. It takes 15 minutes to prepare plus the baking, which is 25 minutes. So it's super easy. It's perfect for breakfast or as a snack in the afternoon, and it lasts for at least a week. It's very moist and very soft. I'm gonna show you the inside. Super cute. I don't know what else to add to this recipe. It's just very good, and if you love pumpkin as much as I do, you have to try this. And as always, I'm just gonna leave you with some photos and how I made the recipe. And as always, again, like every week, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, and leave me a comment down below to let me know if you like the recipe. Enjoy the video. Bye. So we're starting by baking a pumpkin. Here I baked a butternut squash, but you can make whatever kind of pumpkin you might like more. I baked this one for 45 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit pretty much. You cut it in pieces, take the skin off, and then just mash it and take a cup of clean baked pumpkin and put it in your KitchenAid. You're gonna add a 3/4 of a stick of soft butter, half a cup of sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of honey. I like the combo of pumpkin and honey, so I just wanted to do this muffin a little different. You put everything in the KitchenAid with the whisk and you make it start, and even though it will look a little ugly, don't worry, everything is okay. Once it's mixing for a couple of minutes, you're gonna add 3 eggs, one at a time, and they have to be room temperature. That's very important. Once you add all the eggs, you're gonna let it mix for a couple more minutes, and then you're gonna add 2 cups of flour mixed with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And you're gonna put everything in the KitchenAid and let it mix just for the time that all the flour will be absorbed. So pretty much a minute, and then you just stop it, take everything out, and that's your muffin batter. Very easy. With this dose, you'll get 12 muffins. I just put a spoon of the muffin batter that we just made because I'm gonna put a little surprise in the middle. The surprise is a cream cheese filling, which I'm making with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 of powdered sugar, and 1 of heavy cream. Mix everything together with a spoon, and then put a little bit of this mixture in the middle of your muffin. And then you add on top another spoon of the muffin batter that we were using before. Done with all the muffins, I'm gonna add a little bit of pumpkin seeds unsalted on top just to decorate, and I really like the crunchiness of it. And now it's time to bake at 360 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Once they're out of the oven, you're just gonna let them cool down and the muffins are ready. As you can see, the recipe is super easy and the baking time is very short, so it's a perfect last minute treat if you have guests or if you're someone's guest and you have to bring a little present. I'm gonna show you the inside and now you're gonna see how moist it is. It's really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and please let me know if you try it too. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!